Governor Kelly Ayotte says she understands Granite Staters could be upset now that a federal judge has thrown the repeal of mandated state auto inspections into reverse.
I understand as well that people haven't gotten their cars inspected and they don't want to be driving on the roads and feel like they're being stopped for this in light of this court ruling. So I've asked the Attorney General to work with the Commissioner of Safety to put forward guidance as to how the Commissioner of Safety is going to treat this situation.
News of the preliminary injunction hit the New Hampshire Executive Council Wednesday, prompting a flurry of questions.
We're certainly going to have some clear public guidance in the coming days, but we're reviewing the order. We're going to have to discuss it with the Department of Environmental Services, but mostly the Department of Safety to talk about what our plan is.
Some Democrats say the governor and legislative leaders should have seen this injunction coming.
This was exactly testified to by numerous people when this bill was going through the legislature, and was entirely foreseeable that there was the risk of litigation and that there were a lot more questions that had to be answered before this law should go into effect. And here we are.
The House Majority Leader says a legislative response will be ready next week to satisfy the court and not place an undue burden on the motoring public.
We're not going to allow a rogue judge and greedy out-of-state corporation to subvert the will of the people.
And some new details are emerging about the so-called Live Free and Drive amendment that will be coming forward in the next few days, presumably. It's going to have some kind of compliance component with the Clean Air Act. Obviously, this is what that's all about at the federal court level. But the penalty, we're told, for not complying will simply be a $1 fine. So definitely going to be watching this in the days to come here at the State House. Reporting live here in Concord, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.